Marina Protocol has launched a learn-to-earn campaign where you can earn rewards for answering simple quizzes every day. To participate in the daily quiz, open your Marina Protocol app and make sure you're on the home section. Tap on the daily quiz card. What is the purpose of a timestamp in a blockchain transaction? Okay, so for each correct answer, you get 100 pSURF. To get 200 pSURF instead of 100, you can tap on the ad to watch an ad, otherwise tap on claim. I have watched the ad and I claimed 200 pSURF for today. So keep checking in to answer the daily quiz and claim your rewards. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Marina Protocol updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. If you're not yet a surfer, sign up using the link in the description to start claiming pSURF and PB every day. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.